The Department of State Service has been accused of attempting to rearrest the suspended governor of Central Bank, Godwin Emiefele, despite the bail granted by Federal High Court in Lagos State. Joseph Daudu, the lead counsel, stated his white briefing journalists at the end of the court proceedings on Tuesday, the 25th of July 2023.
Today, Emiefele has had his day in court. He was arraigned today, this morning, and he has been granted bail graciously by his lordship. They arraigned him on a 2-count charge, very ridiculous charge, bordering on illegal possession of firearm. Gentlemen of the press, if you know the firearm that we are talking about, it is the kind of gun that the likes of Christopher Columbus and Mungo Park used during their days. This is the kind of gun that the SSS exhibited in their proof of evidence. This is how low that organization has turned itself to be. Ladies and gentlemen, but the good news is that Godwin Emiefele has been granted bail by the court on very liberal terms. Very liberal terms, and as we speak today, he's about to perfect the bail conditions. But we are hearing from the grapevine, and this is the reason why we have come to address you, members of the press, because we know what you stand for. The DSS, in fact, let me also add that the court gave an order again to say that Emiefele should be remanded pending when he perfects his bail, should be remanded in the prison, correctional center. But this one would have expected that, having had that order of court, the DSS would vacate this place with immediate effect. But as you can see behind me, they are there, they are hooded. I do not know why they will be hooded to intimidate Nigerians. We refuse to be intimidated. Gentlemen of the press, this is why you are here. Ours is to talk. Our voices can no longer be the low cry in the wilderness. There comes a time in life when silence is no longer golden.
The plan to rearrest CBN governor was after Justice Nicholas Owebo of the Federal High Court in Ikoyi, Lagos, granted Emiefele bail, the sum of 20 million naira with a surety in like sum. The court granted Emiefele bail after listening to the submission of his counsel, Joseph Daudu, SAN. Rootstv earlier reported that he was arraigned on 2 charges of illegal possession of pistol and ammunition on Tuesday morning. The judge rejected the Federal High Court's claim that Emiefele was flight risk. He then ruled that the government failed to provide any facts to support his claim. In an interview, Mr. Cosmo, who said there is tension in the court premises, accused DSS of planning to rearrest Emiefele on other charges.
When they do the bail, then and ask correctional center to take him to custody.
Okay.
But DSS people are coming up with fresh charges to rearrest him. You understand? To rearrest him. Maybe on another charge. But the lawyers here are insisting, let them obey the court's order first. Allow the prison people to go to them. You can come up with your other charges on another day. But these guys, you know how to operate. They charge on everybody, start pushing people, start pulling gun, and but they were given instruction not to fire. But it was a madness here, a display of madness.
Okay, so where is he now?
The man has gone into the courtroom again.
Okay.
He has gone into the courtroom. Because of the tension here. There is a very big tension here.
Emiefele was driven to court by DSS agents in Ilos vehicle after being arrested and detained by the Department of State Service for 6 weeks. Appearing before Justice Webb on Tuesday morning, Emiefele pleaded not guilty to the accusation made against him by the federal government. During the court proceedings, the SAN, Daudu, informed the court that his clients had been held without charges for several weeks. Additionally, he informed Justice Owebo that the prosecution had been served with the application for bail. The DSS on July 13, 2023 finally bowed to pressure after multiple legal incidents in which Emiefele's attorney protested his prolonged detention by secret police. The service revealed that the suspended head of Apex Bank had been charged with a crime. The DSS therefore objected to the court hearing Emiefele's bail application.